I'm on the road now, as you can see, and I picked my drone up and I got it about 3-4 feet off the ground, and the drone was going like that. I took it all out around the point out here, right out to the little island. And what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm one half of the Caper couple. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So today, guys, I'm just on my way down to the point in Point Aconi, and we're going to check out the coastline and the old lighthouse. Well, there's no lighthouse anymore. It's a modernized lighthouse, but I'll show you guys around down here. It's a beautiful spot. I'm on the road now, as you can see, and I'll catch you guys back when I get down there. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm now here. So, lighthouse was first erected here in 1874. That's okay. It was first erected in 1874, and the last lighthouse that was put here was a glass fiber house, and it stood 36 feet tall, and caught fire. I believe it was erected in 1989, and it caught fire, burnt down in 2014. So after that one, they put a modernized one here. That's an absolutely beautiful spot here, guys. It's a little chilly down here. Now, I came down here yesterday and I was going to get some drone footage, but man, it was so windy. It had to have been at least 100 km/h winds. And I picked my drone up and I got it about 3-4 feet off the ground, and the drone was going like that. So I had to land right away. And I gave up on that idea. But it's not too bad here today. So I'm gonna get the drone out of the car here in a few minutes. I'm gonna take a little flight around here, guys, but what a beautiful spot. Now, the water down here yesterday was brown like muck. Out probably 100 feet out, it was completely brown. It was all dark, like mud. That's how windy it was. There was probably an undertow out there to stir the water up the way it did. You can see there's foundations here, which I'd say were the old lighthouses. There's a little watchtower type of thing here. See that? This woman up here was waving to me. She thought I was her son. But there's the tower. That's a modern lighthouse. You'd actually be able to climb up the top of it if that bar wasn't there. But that's there to change the bulb and work on it, I guess, if it goes out. That's put here, guys, to guide the fishermen in and boats. See out here. Hello. Oh yeah, I know. I wouldn't get too close.
Yeah, that's a cement thing too. It's completely undercut.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. My son just got for a walk around.
Wow. There you go, guys. Island out there. No seals. I believe seals are all gone this time of year now. Point Aconi power plant way over there. Or is it Lingan? Geez, got me confused. Confused, guys. I think Point Aconi one's over here. That's the Lingam one. But there's someone down there.
Yeah, I see 'em.
But yeah, beautiful spot, guys. There's tons and tons of seaweed down on the shore. Filming for YouTube.
Oh, okay. Oh, you go ahead then.
No, you're
Are
okay.
you
You're
live
okay.
right now?
What's that?
Are you live right now?
No, I never done a live one yet.
Okay.
I'll just I'll go home and I'll edit it and then I'll upload it.
Yes, it's nice to see no snow, huh?
Yeah, oh, awesome. Thank God it's gone. I was trapped in most of the winter and couldn't get out and film. What is it?
See the seals?
Is there any over there? I couldn't see any.
Blessings. Or seals. Just careful there, yeah. Have you got a good zoom on that?
No, there's no zoom.
Yeah, apparently. If you watch, you can see there's movement.
Oh yeah?
So we figured that's what they were.
Okay guys, she's saying there are seals out there, but hard to see, so they're probably in the water right now just poking their heads up. I do have a video on there of Black Rock,
Oh, yes?
and I did have my camcorder at that time when I filmed it, and I zoomed right in and I got a great picture of about a dozen or more of them on Bird Island.
Oh, cool. What's that white thing out there? It must be a rock of some type, is it? I don't have good enough zoom in my camera.
Not sure.
From my own eye, it looks like a rock with ice
Yeah,
and then rocks behind it.
yeah, most
And
likely.
then a wave, so I don't know. Must be.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna shut down here. I'm gonna grab my drone and I'm gonna get some better footage from aerial. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. guys, I'm back. Had a great little flight with the drone. I took it all out around the point out here, right out to the little island, and zoomed all around there. Oh, sorry about the gimbal, I just bumped it. But yeah, there's no seals. They were thinking they were seeing seals, but there's none. I zoomed right out over there with it, guys, and got a good view. They were finding all kinds of fossils down here along the shore. Her son was walking down there and he brought a few up and showed me. He said about every third rock you break in there has fossils in it. So, which is pretty cool. I don't know what else to tell you guys. There's a lot up here to roam around and check out, guys. You can venture all the way up around the peak up there. It kind of looks like a trail pucked out. I haven't been up there, and all I have on is sneakers, and as you can see, there's a lot of snow throughout here. So I'm not going to venture up there, but I gave you guys a nice view here. If you're ever on the Cape, head down here, guys. Definitely head down here and check this place out. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool spot. That lady was roaming right up at the very point, looking over the edge. I don't have as much nerve as she does to go near the edge that close. She seen her channel. Once I told her the name of it, she was like, "Oh yeah, I seen that. Cool." So probably gained another subscriber out of it. Channel's doing pretty great right now. It's growing faster. Ever since I posted that video, that has me over 3,000 views now. That was I believe 3 days ago now, guys. But yeah, look at the tons and tons of seaweed down here on the shore. See, the cliff is all eroding out there. See the big piece of cement sticking out of the edge of the cliff, guys? It's got like an overhang. So I wouldn't walk out on that cement. Because like I said before, it would suck to go down in the drink. How beautiful this snow is on top of the mountains. It's the highlands. We've got a Coast Guard ship right out here by that island, guys, just tucked in there. That's Canadian Coast Guard. Oh, what a beautiful view down here, people. Yeah, I took the drone out and I flew all around this island. And I had to fight coming back because the wind is blowing that way. And I've only got the drone set on low speed settings. But I drained the battery down to about 60% flying it around here, and I had it topped off at 100, guys. I always charge it up the night before I take it out. But that's just a beautiful place down here. Come down here, guys, dig yourself up some fossils. Have a time. Have a time. So, with all that being said, guys, I'm going to end the day here. The video. Get my butt back home. So no Laura today because she's not feeling well. She's sick, but I told you guys she has a very weak immune system. She gets sick a lot and sick very easy. So we'll end it here, and then keep subscribing. Comment down below. Give us a like, guys. Make sure your post notifications are on. And until next time, catch you later.